Pakistani truck art. How many of us have realized that we have got such a big asset among ourselves, which is not too ancient in the world, not too traditional, not too much indebted or ingrained in the religion, society, or culture of a particular sect, ethnic group. Rather, it is there for all of us to see, enjoy, and feel. If you look at the truck art, this is something which is an asset for the truck driver. Typically, it costs a truck about $5,000, 4 lakh rupees, to get decorated with no specific purpose to be fulfilled. Having said that, that money is not given or contributed by the driver or the person who is operating it. It is borne by the owner and given as a charitable or as a fiduciary money to the driver to go to the coach work area and get the whole truck repainted, redesigned, and remodeled according to his preference, according to his taste. Having said that, this task get the involvement of the small truck fleet holders, those who have 2 or 3 trucks. But how many of us in this audience have known that what is the origin of the truck art in Pakistan, contemporary truck art? Any guesses over here? It got into effect, or it was founded in 1920s when Kohistan Truck Company commissioned Ustad Ilahi Bakhsh, an accomplished painter and a craftsman of that time, to paint the trucks and buses to be redesigned according to his taste. So Master Ilahi Bakhsh painted those ugly buses to compete with the Victorias of that world. And get the ancient culture remodeled and get reinvented into the world, the beauty of the contemporary world. Having said that, do we know that even the truck painters do not know that there are different cultural varieties of the style and the styles of the truck art in Pakistan? Somebody has done the research and he has identified 4 different art styles. This is the art style of a Punjabi artwork, having its roots in Rawalpindi workshops, in Peer Vadai workshops. And if you look at it, it has the metal hangings as a typical or the unique signature style of the artwork, and has a lot of plastic embroidery embroidered into the work. There is a Swati artwork, and the signature style is the wooden carved door. It has little bit of the metal and the plastic engravings. But when it goes to Peshawar, it gets the amalgamation with the Punjabi artwork. There is a Baluchi artwork grounded in the workshops of Dera Ghazi Khan with the mosaic motifs, with the mosaic designs, and the cow bumpers of the trucks. And there is a Karachi style as well, with the use of reflective tapes and the lighting systems having their base in the workshops along the Hawks Bay. And there are 5 different elements of the truck artwork, and one is the depiction of the romanticized village life, because the driver is thinking of those times when he has been there. Becoming a nomad, he connects back to his life. Then there is another style. This element is romanticized version of his beloved, and there is a modern element of the artwork, which is his association to a particular actor, a hero of his time. And there is another element, and the element is that of a certain cultural trait and a spiritual state, or what we call superstitious using of hangings and the depictions of the fish, which is considered as a good omen. And there, the fifth, the last but not the least, his association to a particular religion, and it will always be towards the front. And look at the artwork. There in that artwork, you will always see the front having a bit of a serious depiction of his mindset. Towards the back, there is a comical depiction. And then, last but not the least, the Pakistani artwork is getting the recognition across the world. And this is a photograph of Pakistani truck art being put to exhibition in Smithsonian Institution, Washington DC, and it has been there since 2008. With this, I want to invite back Toastmaster of the evening,
well, I think everybody learned something.
Yes.
Right? It was wonderful.